time to go pick up my friend. Five minutes later. Thanks for picking me up. You're so kind. You're welcome. Let's go. Goodbye, my friends. Okay, so we're here. Do you want to go to your house or do you want to go to yours? Sounds good. Thanks. Just yours. Alright then, let's stay here. Get out the car.
But you still owe me for taxi.
So what do you want to do? Well, you want to hop on your toy train? Sure. Remember to sit down. Alright, I'm gonna start sitting down. Okay, so I'm sitting down, and let's go. Whee! It's so fun.
That's Joey. He lives in the garage and he's a comedian. Joey, show him your Bullwinkle.
Well, I sure hope you get to the cartoons because, well, if not, I make a film first impression.
We have funny men like Joey and Papadores. Nikos, the village idiot. We bring you big surprise visitors. Gina. Jesse. Your cousin Dimitri. He makes the godfather of his little girl Melina.
Alright, let's get off.
Staying, okay?
Hey, wanna sleep over?
Sure, let's go to sleep.
Be right back.
I see your picture. You are even more beautiful in person.
Oh my, Lanta! Are we related?
No.
Yes! Sylvia, come on, I'll show you my room.
Look at that, I'm okay. Let me go make some food.
I'm sure your Yaya Gina would love to see
Okay.
you too.
I'd love some food. Some dinner, please. Yeah, sure, dinner. Want anything in here?
An older sister? Yes. What was her name?
Elena.
Yeah, Elena.
So, should I make for dinner?
Has Mercedes come to Greece yet?
I'll just see.
Come with me. I will. I'll show you my.
Alright, guys. So I guess we'll see you in the next video. We have to go to sleep. Bye.